Welcome to this demonstration of the CC160 core cutter. Now in everyday label production you need cores all the time, different size of jobs, so having cores on demand all the time ready is a unique benefit for your production. So I'm going to demonstrate how this compact machine works. It is what we call a semi-automatic core cutter. It means that it pulls the core in automatically. There is a small laser sensor that will detect the end of the core, so you have no waste. Also, a unique feature on this machine is the cutting edge quality. If you look at the cores that we cut here, it is really razor sharp cores. So how does the machine do that? The machine has a unique system where the knife will cut until there is electrical contact between the knife and the anvil. It can also run with conventional nylon anvils, but by using a metal anvil and cutting just long enough to make a perfect cut, but not so long that the knife is dull, you get the perfect combination of clean cut and long knife life. So I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to load the core in the machine. You can of course have different adapters, but this machine is equipped with an adapter for standard 3-inch core, 76 millimeters. So you can open the machine here from the side, so you have easy access to the full machine. It's quite easy to load the core. You push it in and then you lock the core. There is an expanding round shaft here. Now the core is very tightly locked. What you then do is you close the safety covers. And now, as it is first time I'm cutting, what's going to happen is that the machine is going to pull the core back right on the edge and then start cutting to the programmed length. I have keyed into the machine that I want cores 30 millimeters long, and now I will key in that I would like 5 of them for my job. And I'm clearing the production counter, so now the machine is ready to produce 5 cores with a length of 30 millimeters each. So I say start new core. What you will see is that the machine will pull the core in and start to do the cutting. So let's take a look at that. One unique thing to notice is that they all have exactly the same size. This is really important, especially if you run stacked jobs with multiple lanes coming from the sliotar rewinder onto the cores. Then you can't have a core that's 2 or 3 millimeters longer than the other one. They all have to be perfect. And with this machine, they are all perfect. Now, if you want to learn more about GM's core cutters, please contact sales. We are ready here in Denmark in our brand new showroom. We will organize a private demo for you. You can send your cores up. We will do the testing. We can send you back a proof of concept. So please get back to us. Thank you for watching.